TriGLP and visceral fat. Let's talk about why it's a game changer. Hi, I'm Madonna. After 31 years as a naturopath working with chronic inflammation, weight loss, metabolic shutdown, fascia rigidity, and nervous system overload, I can tell you this: visceral fat is not a weight loss problem. It's not a willpower problem. It's a physiology problem. So let's talk about visceral fat, that fat that builds up around your organs. It's biologically different from the fat underneath your skin. It's inflamed, it's hormonally active, it's metabolically stubborn. And when the body is stressed, inflamed, exhausted, or stuck in sympathetic overdrive, in sympathetic dominance, visceral fat becomes a survival strategy. That's why diets, fasting, boot camps, and willpower often don't work long term. They don't change the signals that tell the body to store fat in the first place. So let's talk about other weight loss methods. Most weight loss methods fail because they slow metabolism, increase stress hormones, trigger rebound weight, strip muscle, worsen inflammation, dehydrate our fascia, and exhaust the nervous system. So you might lose weight on the scale, but you lose the wrong kind of weight: muscle, water, metabolic stability, and the visceral fat often stays. So why is TriGLP different? TriGLP supports 3 natural peptides: GLP-1, GLP-2, and GIP. And these peptides influence over 500 downstream processes and directly affect visceral fat. GLP-1 is the inflammation and appetite regulator. GLP-1 supports reduced inflammatory signaling, steadier blood sugar, calmer appetite, improved metabolic flexibility. So visceral fat shrinks when inflammation drops. GLP-2 is the gut and fascia repair peptide. GLP-2 supports gut lining integrity, nutrient absorption, lymphatic flow, fascia hydration. So a healthier gut equals lower inflammation and less visceral fat storage. And GIP, it supports muscle metabolism, mitochondrial energy, bone health, and fat to muscle ratio. So the more muscle, the less visceral fat. Better energy equals better fat burning. So why does everyone lose fat at different rates? Your body decides the order of your healing. So some people lose visceral fat quickly. Others lose inflammation first. Others rebuild muscle before the fat shifts. And some people, especially those with chronic fatigue, fibromyalgia, hormonal issue, long-term stress and trauma, need more time because the body is repairing the insides